Good morning, everybody. It's Lynn from A Bit of Birdsong. I am out in the workshop this morning. It is in the 40s. It feels really good outside this morning. It's a beautiful day. I wanted to show you a journal that just went into the shop, and this is something I made over the weekend. I've been going through fabrics and materials, and I had this fabric put up. I really like it, and I just had not gotten around to using it yet. I'm wondering if I want to cut that little string. I think I'll leave it for now. Anyway, you can see that it has a very shiny, sparkly piece of fabric on the front. Probably a piece of fabric made in India. It has lots of beads, and it looks like some sort of bird. I think it's a peacock, although the colors are a little bit strayed from the colors that we normally see. And then here's another little bird. Really pretty. The ties have some beautiful glass beads. These are a couple of large beads that were in my my jewelry making box. I have a large box of beads, and every once in a while I pull it out, and these were in there. I love these gold. I like the colors with this, actually. I think it's really pretty. I left these strings pretty long. This is a heavy cord here, maybe a hemp cord or twine. I like working with that. It just feels really organic and natural. Getting into this journal, this one doesn't have a theme per se, but everything feels kind of similar. So this fabric is really dark. I like this. It has the upholstery fabric out here that's dark, and there's my tag, and we have this sewn onto the front, and then on the inside more of this upholstery fabric to go over this black kind of gothic fabric, gothic design. It's really pretty. It feels velvety. This is a collage page that I did for one of the image zines that I do, and I didn't want to throw it out. It had a lot of layers on it, so I just covered it in Mod Podge and then put some tissue paper over it. So that is the front piece, and that's just a really pretty piece of paper. It's heavy, you can tell. I left these beads long enough that you can lay these up here so that they don't get in the way of opening the journal. This is a kit that I purchased online, some of these pages. Her name is Kelly, and I'm going to put a link to her shop so that you can see the things that she does. She has a lot of pretty digitals. So there are just pieces of vellum in here. There's an old envelope that I just folded in half. This page, that is from a Shakespearean coloring book. Had some pretty old images in it. And then more of Kelly's kit. This is an old calendar page. I love the birds on that. And you can see it has some staining. I think that one was from the 60s. And more of Kelly's kit. There's just a really nice piece of paper in there. A little bit of wrapping paper. I love that botanical design. And then there's a piece of wallpaper. Really pretty paper. Another one of Kelly's pages. And there is some tea-stained paper that I did. Another part of the calendar page. And I don't have to explain every page. I just wanted you to see everything. That's more wallpaper. Look at that bright design. I think if you really tried, you could pull this metallic sort of piece away from what's underneath. You can do what you would like to with that page. And then this page, I believe, is from Nick the Booksmith. I bought her some of her eco-dyed digitals. Really pretty. Another one of Kelly's pages. And then this page is from a nature book. I love all of the botanical elements, and I just stitched a piece of scrapbook paper onto the other side. That's some really pretty paper. It's kind of got a sparkly look, but a really smooth. Well, these polka dots feel raised, but the paper itself, I love this paper. More of the Shakespeare images, and just beautiful pages. A lot of places to write. A little piece of stationery there. I love that little image. Up and down, I will lead them up and down. I am feared in field and town. Goblin, lead them up and down. Lots of pretty dragonflies. And that's the center. So here we're just going in the other direction. I like that image. Lots of space to work. You can use this to journal in, to do some sort of art journal, or I like the way we get that reflection. You could use this to glue things in. I like this. This was meant to be a greeting card where you tuck a picture in, but I left this open and you could just slide something in, or use it like a little bulletin board to clip things onto. You can tell the card is upside down, but I wanted you to have the benefit of gravity with this card. And more pretty paper. Another part of that calendar. We're getting over to the other side. I love that. That's a book page. Oh, love that so much. That's from that calendar. And then you can see the other side of that envelope, and it has some handwriting on it. That's really old. And then there's the other part of the collage that I made for the e-zine. So that is that. That is in the shop right now. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.